Hello friends, please do like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos. Standard 8, Chapter 10, Division of Polynomials. Practice set 10.1. Divide, write the question and remainder. Okay, so first question is 21m square divided by 7m. So, let's see how to solve this sums. Now, if we do by our old pattern, that means this is dividend and this is divisor. So, dividend we write inside and divisor over here. So, now to solve this, you have many methods. Let's see how we will get answer. See, this 7 is a divisor, that means it is a multiplication. So, now you want 21. So, 7 in 7th table, when you will get 21, 7 3s are 21, and you want m square, you have m, so that means 1 m is missing, so m into m square. So this is your answer, that 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21, m into m square. So this is your answer. Now the same sums you can do in this pattern, 21m square upon 7m. So either you can do, see here there is 2 and here 1, so 1m cancelled and out of 2 1 you cancelled. Now 21, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Okay, this is another way of solving this sums. Let's see our second sums. Solution 40. This is your dividend, 40a cube. Your divisor, minus 10a. So, now what you do in your rough column, take minus 10a, and then what you want? You want 40. So, in 10th table, when you will get 40, 10 4s are, 10 के टेबल में 40 कब आएगा? 10 4s are 40, and then you want a cube, आपको a cube चाहिए, so but you have only single a, that means 2 more a you need, so a square, so a single a and a square becomes a cube. So this is your answer, that 10 4s are 40 and a into a square is a cube. But see, here there is subtraction, so minus into plus it will become minus, but if we want answer in plus, हमको आंसर प्लस में चाहिए. ओके, तो प्लस में आंसर आने के लिए here also we need subtraction, so minus into minus plus, so that means in question also we need subtraction. This is our answer. Okay, in another term how we will do, see, 4 into 10 into a into a into a and 10 into a, so 10 cancel, a cancel, you are left with minus 4 a square. See, you got the same answer over here. So these are the two ways of solving sums. Third sum, minus 48 p4 divided by minus 9 p square. So now let's see. See, it is not always possible that we will get proper division. Sometimes division is not completely divisible. So here in this sums we have to do in this pattern, minus 48 p4 देन माइनस 9 पी स्क्वायर। हमेशा हमारा डिवीजन होगा, ज़रूरी नहीं है, डिवीजन समटाइम्स हाफ इनकम्प्लीट भी होता है। सो नाउ लेट्स सी हियर, आइदर यू डू लाइक दिस, या तो ऐसे करो या तो दिस 9 नो 3 into 3 देन p into p and 48 these are the two ways. Now see, if you want to do directly only in this, see minus and minus, then 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3, 1 remaining, 3 6 are 18. Here you have p square, that means 2p, and here you have p4, so 4 minus 2 2. So you have left with 16 p square. Let's see in this, whichever you find easy you can do in that pattern. See what I did, to this 48 is 48 को मैंने split किया, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, then p p p p, then nothing left. So see, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and this subtract. So again you are left with 16 p square upon 3. Here also upon 3. See, in both the pattern you get same answer. Let's see fourth sums. So again we have to do in same pattern, 40 m raised to 5 upon 30 m raised to 3. So now if you can cancel it directly, so okay, otherwise split it, like 4 tens are and 3 tens are, and then you have m5, so m into m into m into m into m, and here you have thrice. So 3 from top, 3 from bottom, 10 and 10. Here you have left with 4 upon 3 m square. Okay, so same answer you will get here. See, 0 and 0 cancel, m3 cancel, and you have to subtract from 5, you have to subtract m3, so you are left with m2. So see, 4 upon 3 m raised to 2. Okay, so again your question is 4 upon 3 m raised to 2, and remainder is 0. Let's see our fifth sum. Now see, here it's come little difficult part. You have two terms to solve. So let's see how to solve this. A dividend 5x cube minus 3x square and divided by x square. So now in your rough column, what you do, take this x square and then the first term that you write in bottom. Okay, now try to see, you have x square, so you need x cube and you have x square, that means 1x is missing. Okay, आपको x क्यूब चाहिए और यहाँ पे आपके पास स्क्वायर है, तो एक x और चाहिए, so square plus 1 x cube. Now you have 1 Okay, here there is no number means 1 and you need 5, that means you will take 5. Now see, 1 5 is a 5, x square into x cube. So this is your first question, x 5x. So you will get answer 5x cube minus this will become 0. Now this subtraction will come down 3x square. So you need now 3x square, okay, and sorry, you need minus 3x square and you have x square. So x square you have, so this you no need to see. Now you, here there is 1, यहाँ पे 1 है and हमको चाहिए 3, so 3, so 1 3 is a 3. Also we need subtraction, so that means minus 3. Now see, 1 into 3 3, plus into minus minus, x square into your x square. So this is your question, minus 3x square 0. So your question is 5x minus 3 and remainder is 0. Let's see our 6 sums. Now here you have to divide 8p cube minus 4p square by 2p square. So let's see. Now our first term is what? 8p cube. And so how we will get this? We have 2p square. So first 2 we have, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. You have p square, you need p cube. That means only one p is missing. Square plus 1, 2. So this is your question. 4p, 2 into 4p is this. Now minus 4p square. So again you need now minus 4p square and you have 2p square. So p square you already have. So now you need to see for 4. आपको अभी देखना है 4 कैसे आएगा. So 2 2s are 4. But you also want minus. So here minus. 2 2s are 4. Minus into plus minus. P square into 1 p square. So this is your question. Minus 2 is this. So minus into minus plus. Minus plus 0. Let's see our 7th sums. Now you have to divide this polynomial by this term. So your first term is 2y cube and you have divisor 2y square. So what is remaining? 2 1s are 2 and y square into y is y cube. So only y you need to take. So here 2y square multiply by y, you get 2y cube and then minus here 0. So 4y square, full term you have to write in bottom. Now you need 4y square and you have 2y square. So y square you already have. So 2 2s are 4. You need to take 2 2s are 4 and y square you already have. So plus 2. Here you get 4y square. Then subtraction, this becomes 0. Now plus 3, this is your remainder. So remainder and quotient. Remainder is 3 and quotient is y plus 2. Let's see our 8 sums. Now this polynomial you have to divide by 7x cube. So first term we have 21x4. So and our divisor is 7x cube. So you have x cube but you need 4. That means only 1 you need. So x cube into x, x4. Now you want 31. So 7 threes are 21. Okay. So this 3x is your question. 7 threes are 21, x cube into x, 21 x4 minus then 0. Okay. So this minus 14x square plus 7x. Now if you see the sums carefully, here you have x square and your divisor is x cube. So it is not possible to divide these sums any more further. So this is your remainder and this is your question. Question and remainder. 3x and minus 14x square plus 7x. Okay. Let's see our 9th sums. Now first term you need 6x raised to 5 and your divisor here we have 2x raised to square. So we have x2, x square. We need 5. That means 3 is remaining. So x3. Now we need 6. हमको 6 चाहिए. So 2 3s are 6. X square into x5, x5. So this is your first term of a question. Subtraction, you get 0. So this you will take down. The whole term you have to write again. Now what you need minus 4x raised to 4 and you have 2x raised to square. So x square you need 4, that means x square. x2 और x2 x4 बनता है. Then 2 2s are 4 और you need minus. So here plus into minus minus. So this is your second term. Minus 4x4. So minus, it will minus into minus will become plus and cancel 0. Then 8x cube plus 2x square. So now you need 8x cube and you have 2x square. You have square, so only single x you need, and 8. So 2 4s are 8. So this 4x and positive. So positive 4x. So 2x square into positive 4x is your answer. So minus into plus minus 0. Then 2x square. So 2x square, 2x square. So 2x square ones are 2x square. Okay, minus into plus minus 0. So you have question and remainder. Question you have got 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1 and remainder 0. Let's see 10th sums. Now this is your divisor and dividend. So your first term 25m raised to 4 and you have 5m raised to 3. आपके पास 5m raised to 3 है और आपको चाहिए 25m raised to 4. So m 3. So only single 1 m left. 3 and 1 4 and 5 5s are 25. So this is your first question. Minus 0. Then minus 15 m cube plus 10 m plus 8. Now you have minus 15 m cube. This is your term which you need now, and your divisor is 5 m raised to 3. So m3 means m cube you already have. Now 5 3s are 15, but you need negative, so minus 5 3s are 15 plus into minus minus. So this is your question, minus 3 and 15 m cube. So here this becomes 0 and 10 m plus 8. See, you have m over here, and in divisor you have m cube, so it is not possible to divide anymore. So question and remainder, you have question this and remainder this. Done.